Apple Vision Pro price in Pakistan. The Apple Vision Pro has undoubtedly made a significant impact on the VR headset market with its advanced capabilities. Although Apple prefers not to categorize it simply as a VR headset, Apple Vision Pro seamlessly blends digital content with your physical space. The headset incorporates a unique 3-layer glass shell that allows the headset to show a 3D version of the wearer's eyes with a stereoscopic effect. Priced at a hefty $3,499 in the US, many are curious about its expected price in Pakistan. The US price is equivalent to approximately 9,70,053 rupees. With additional import taxes and potential retailer margins, the price in Pakistan is expected to be around 1.2 lakhs. Furthermore, the top-tier 1 TB variant, priced at $3,899 in the US, may exceed 1.3 lakh rupees in the local markets. The Apple Vision Pro boasts a micro OLED display with a refresh rate of up to 100 Hz and 23 million pixels. It's powered by an M2 and R1 chip, complemented by multiple 3D camera systems. The device is equipped with a range of sensors for tracking movement, gestures, facial expressions, and more. Additionally, it offers 2 hours of battery life and features multiple speakers on each side.